Welcome back to my kitchen, and in today's video we're making my all-time favorite, and it's the chocolate cake. Let's get started. So in a bowl I am going to be adding all my wet ingredients. And in another bowl, I have all my dry ingredients except the sugar, which I added together with the wet ingredients. Please note that I sifted everything before I mix, so it is very important for you to sift your dry ingredients so that to remove any lumps. So at this point, I am going to add in my dry ingredients bit by bit and mix. It's always easier if you add your dry ingredient bit by bit. It makes the work easy. So in this bowl I have my cocoa powder chocolate, and I like to use this method because when I use this method it makes my chocolate cake more chocolatier. Like it brings out the chocolate flavor in my chocolate cake. This is a method I would recommend you try, and I assure you, you will love it. At this point, our chocolate cake is ready. And one thing I love about chocolate cake is it's very easy to make. If you use the right recipe and the right baking temperature, you can never get chocolate cake wrong. As in, if you use my recipe, you would not get your chocolate cake wrong. You do not need any fancy equipment. You don't need anything fancy. You just need the right recipe, and I got you covered. So I'm just going to tap to release the air bubbles. And here we have our chocolate cake. It's ready, and I tell you, it smells good. Look at how moist and perfect it looks, and I tell you guys, it tastes good too. Like, it tastes really good. Look at how spongy this cake is. Oh Lord. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.